Where you need to hold.
Well, I know where I need to hold. It's
Ready?
just I got to make sure I know sizes.
Yeah, that's what I kept looking at the cardboard. I'm like, that's got 2 inches on the cardboard.
Yeah.
Then I went over.
I should be able to see if I know how my gun shoots.
Oh.
4. He's done. Good shooting, Chris.
Yeah. I'm gonna stop there.
I'm tickled pink right now.
I
can't believe I hit 3. I don't think I even get that.
Hey, Steve, you ready?
Ronnie's the guy to beat right now. You can't hold
Well,
back.
I was until just till.
Okay, that was not your beeper.
Okay. He just got 75. I just lost 75.
You understand the course fire?
Yes, I do.
Shooter ready?
Shooter ready.
Is that a hit?
Nope.
Nope. Look out, Quinny.
Okay, Curtis. Gotta beat 5.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do. You gotta run.
Where was that last hit? You guys
I couldn't tell.
Was it dirt? Oh,
Yeah,
be dirt.
dirt back there.
Yeah, the last one made us dust way back there.
Okay.
Shooter ready. Is that for me?
Yeah, you think he's ready. Ooh.
I'm done.
No, you get 2 more out there.
Alright. Is that what you did, Rodney? Or did I go one more than you?
You want one
I
more?
missed the one you just hit.
Okay. I'm done then.
Yeah, you're 105.
Quinny, look out. Alright, just for fun now, I'm taking the other 2 shots.
Oh, so am I.
Oh!
Ah, you would have been a 0.
You didn't know
You
you
would
were
have
got
got, you would have got 150, 140 though if you would have caught taking that one.
So what did I do? 5?
52
Yeah.
shots on the last one.
So this stuff doesn't load very well with this brand of ammo.
The ball stuff.
Okay.
Okay, how many rounds for this next adventure?